Hi, it's Sherry from Babbleboxx. I'm here today to tell you about our Signature Box program. Our Signature Boxes are an experience program that is sent right to the influencers, fully branded for you. Our design team does all the creative. We have a sourcing team that comes up with themes and also finds products that complement your brand. What's really exciting about these campaigns is that brands are finding so many other ways to leverage our signature boxes. We're seeing them be used for press kits, media relations, social giveaways, and even e-commerce. Oreo ended up ordering 3,000 units, which they then put on Amazon and were sold out within 3 days. The Babbleboxx Signature program can be applied to any vertical: food, fitness, gifting. We've even done it for service brands. I would love to answer your questions and come up with a strategy that could work for you, so feel free to reach me, Sherry@babbleboxx.com. Thanks.